Hello everyone, myself Rishabh Kumar from Indian Institute of Information Technology, Dharwad. I am a student of second year of Data Science and Artificial Intelligence branch. I had created an IoT product with an essence of machine learning, which can predict the further outcome. I had given the quotation to my product as saving the blood of India. So what would be objective of my product? So in a country like India that doesn't believe in donating blood, Indian blood banks are wasting a tremendous amount of blood every single day. Every 2 seconds somebody needs blood. In many cases people lose their lives because of lack of donor blood. Every day, while 375 ml of blood can save 3 lives, and surprisingly, about 6 lakh liters of blood is wasted as per last year. Blood cannot be manufactured. It can be only donated by a donor, but only 8 out of 1000 volunteer donate blood. But what is the real problem here? Donors or blood banks. As in India, donors are less, but blood are wasted around 6 lakh liters because of carelessness of blood banks. Why are so the next question is like that, why are Indian blood banks not able to provide blood to the needy? So first thing, lack of facility. Blood collection centers don't have machines for preparing various components of blood, red blood cells and platelets and plasma. But the important concept is here temperature control. For the blood, there should be a low temperature. If you want to keep a blood for a long time, you should have to maintain a low temperature so that the blood could remain fresh. So that you have to like don't give a chance the blood to be clotted. So once the blood get clotted, it cannot return to its original form. So main concern is here for temperature. Many blood banks have refrigerator for this purpose, but they are not just like monitoring it continuously. They are just putting the blood in that refrigerator and doesn't care about further whether the electricity is on or off, whether the cooling is working fine or not fine. So for this issue, I have built a product. So what things my product contains or what facilities my product provides? It provides a web page or app to the user mobile phone who can see live sensor reading that we will embed in the refrigerator or in the cooling apparatus of blood. You can see or user can see that reading from anywhere in the world through a web page or an app if you have internet connectivity. So the next thing is, whenever there is no electricity or consider there is a damage in the refrigerator, so the temperature get high, and when the temperature go beyond the threshold, an alert system become active and the user or the administrator receive an alert through SMS or telegram. We had given both feature because there could be a problem with the network connectivity, internet connectivity. So we had also featured SMS alert. Third is like ML model. If your fridge is not working and also there is no staff in that position, so up to how much time it's like the blood will remain but blood will remain on the original form, it not get clotted. You can also predict that much amount of time. So you could have, so at that time you will see that you are having 10 minutes or 20 minutes, so that you could go at that place and regain the situation. So that we will provide with ML model, and we are using polynomial regression for our ML model. So let us look the demonstration of our IoT product in the next session. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to the demonstration of my IoT device. This is a kind of IoT device which measures the temperature of its surroundings and directly send the data to the cloud, later to my web page, and the web page would be looking like this. It show all the data points along with the graphs and all. So now, for now, we will focus at the device. So this device consists of a Bolt IoT Wi-Fi module which connected to a Wi-Fi and a LM35 temperature reading temperature reader and a power supply. So now, as we can see that is the sensor is reading the temperature and sending the data point to the cloud, and later it is showing to my web page. So if I update it like push data to cloud, so it will update with my present temperature at this point of graph. So yeah, you can see that it has updated, and the current temperature of my surrounding is about 34 degrees Celsius. Okay, fine. So now I will consider there is an industry which had just like a fixed threshold temperature, and if the temperature go beyond that threshold, then it will send an alert to the user via telegram or an SMS. So we will look uh, first alert system through SMS. So let me open my Python. So you can see that this is the code, and in the terminal we will see the output. So here you can see that minimum limit is set to 400 and maximum limit is set to 500. So this is not the temperature in degrees Celsius, but it is the actual reading of the sensor in the units, not in the degrees Celsius. So if the temperature is low, reading will be low, and if the temperature is high, reading will also be high. So now, for now, we have set the current limit 400 to between 400 and 500. Let me fix it to 300 to 500. Fine. So now I will run this. Okay. So here it is reading the sensor value. Actually there is a network connectivity issue, so I will run it again. So here the sensor value is 354, so no any alert will be sent to my mobile through SMS. So it is continuously reading the sensor's value, as you can see that. Okay, fine. So now we have taken the reading of our surrounding temperature. Now we will demonstrate how alert system work. For that I will put this sensor along with module in my refrigerator, so that the reading of my sensor will go down, and as soon as it go down, it will send an alert to my mobile phone as a SMS. So let me put this in my refrigerator, and later on we will see the codings and my terminal. So now I am putting that into my refrigerator. Now that is inside my refrigerator, as you can see that. So here it is reading the sensor value, and it is 248, and now it is saying that it is sending an SMS to my mobile phone. Let us see my mobile phone whether it get an alert or not. So again it is 234. So let us see our mobile. Yeah, now we had received an SMS. Yeah, here it is a SMS that sent from Trilio trial. The current temperature is 248 and current temperature session value is 234, and now it is continuously sending the temperature sensor value. Now it is of 221 and it is decreasing. So this is how our alert system work on the SMS system. Yeah, it is now again sending, it is 210, it is decreasing. because it has been set up in the refrigerator. So this was all about. Now we will see how our telegram alert work. So this is the code of our telegram alert system, which we had connected to our telegram bot which I had created. So now we will see. Let me run this code, and the code will output will be on the terminal. I think there is a network connectivity issue, so it will run again after 10 seconds. Wait for 10 seconds. Yeah, here you can see that the sensor reading is 259. So I have set the threshold between 300 and 350, and and the reading is 259. So it is saying that it has sending a telegram alert to this URL. So let me open my telegram and show you. So this is my telegram, and you can see that it is continuously sending the alert that temperature is 234, 242 and 258. You can see the timing for the truthfulness of this experiment. It is 5:06 and the real time is 5:07 p.m. So it is sending the live alert. So it's send again at 5:07 that the temperature is 228, because this is the threshold which is beyond the, this is the sensor reading or sensor value which is beyond the threshold. So yeah, it is sending again 224. Wait for 10 seconds and it will send it again, because my sensor is in my refrigerator, so that it is sending the lower value. Wait for, yeah, as I had said, it has sent me another alert that the temperature is, that the sensor reading is 222. So thank you for this demonstration. Hello everyone. So up to now we had seen how our sensor of our temperature sensor sense the temperature of the surrounding, and how it sends the data or value to our cloud system, and forward it to our website, so that it could update our graph. And we are looking at the graph which we had just like taken from data of the sensor, and it is lively updated by the sensor itself, because it is connected to the cloud. So as for now, we had also seen the alert system through SMS and also via telegram. So as soon as or when the temperature breaks the threshold or cross over the threshold set temperature, then the alert system become active and send an alert to your mobile or to your telegram. So moving forward, here we are showing or performing a machine learning algorithm, or showing a machine learning algorithm, and also we are here to show you how prediction works, and how efficient is our prediction algorithm. So here you can see the graph which has two features, temperature and timestamp, and if you hover about any point, then it will tell about the timing and as well as the temperature at that time. So you can see that there is a spike at 7:04 p.m. because that is an anomaly, which is a common phenomenon of any temperature sensor LM35. So it is like common phenomenon. Apart from that, everything is like cool, and you can also see the temperature is almost constant, or reading is just fine, and the timing is around the evening, so temperature is going down. You can see that here, and also the temperature is around 24.6 to 34.6 to 34.8. So now we will demonstrate the prediction. So for the performing the prediction, we have three parameters to set on. First is the prediction point, predicted point. So this parameters tell you about how much point do you want next in the prediction, such that each point is about 5 minutes. So you will get around 25 minutes of prediction if you set this parameter as 5. So we are setting this parameter is 5, and number of polynomial coefficient is like you have to adjust this parameter in order to create a more sufficient or more overlapping prediction. So now if we talk about the parameter of frame size is nothing, is like getting the training data set. If we set this parameter as 15, then it will take as previous 15 data point as its training data set, and it will give you 5 predicted point. Cool. Now I think everything is like simple, and everything is understandable. So now we will forward, and we can simply predict our 5 next points by just pressing down this predict button. So now here you can see that these are the 15 points we have taken for the prediction, and you can see that there is just like overlapping between this red line and this blue line, so that you can say that your prediction is it's like prediction algorithm is working so fine. But you can see that there is a difference in this blue line and the red line. This is only because of this anomaly that has been occurred at July 7 4 p.m. So apart from that, you can see that this prediction algorithm also give you the next 5 points, such that the temperatures like in next 25 minutes, what would be the temperature in next 25 minutes. So this was all about prediction things. Thank you all. About the alert system through SMS.